Let's learn English vocabulary in a fun, natural, and effective way, Part 1. Today's lesson will be split into 2 parts. In the first section, you will learn 25 most commonly used English vocabulary through phrases, pictures, and videos. In Section 2, you will review what you have learnt in Section 1. Speak the answers out loud. The answers will not be shown. Go back to Section 1 if you need to see the answers. Okay, let's begin today's English PhraseCamp lesson. The is used to refer to one thing or people. The dog is chewing a bone. The dog is chewing a bone. Be is used to say something about what a person, thing, or state is. I want to be an astronaut one day. I want to be an astronaut one day. And is used to join 2 words or phrases or parts of sentences together. Sam and John are best friends. Sam and John are best friends. Of is used to show possession, origin, beginning point of something. The color of her hair is blonde. The color of her hair is blonde. Is used before a noun to refer to a single thing or one thing or person. This is a bird. This is a bird. In means to show that something is inside a place, container, or area. Sarah was resting in the house. Sarah was resting in the house. To is a way to show motion in the direction of location. I went to the zoo. I went to the zoo. Have means to own or hold something. I have a boat. I have a boat. Time means to show the measure of time. This clock shows the time. This clock shows the time. It is used as the subject or the object of a verb to refer to a thing, animal, or situation. It is a very sunny day. It is a very sunny day. I means the person speaking or writing. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. That means a person, object, idea, and so on that is heard or seen by the speaker. That was a wonderful movie. That was a wonderful movie. For means something that is planned or planned to be given to someone. I made this song for my girlfriend. I made this song for my girlfriend. You refers to the person or people the speaker is talking to. You look funny. You look funny. He. He refers to a man, boy, or a male animal. He is very smart. He is very smart. With. We use with when people or things are in a place together or are doing something together. I am with my girlfriend. I am with my girlfriend. On. On is to show that something is above another object or is moving into such a position. There are many books on the table. There are many books on the table. Do. Do means to perform an action. I can do it. I can do it. Say. Say means to pronounce words or sounds to express or show a thought or opinion. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? This. This is used to show which person, object, or idea the speaker is talking about. This is delicious. This is delicious. They. They refers to two or more people, animals, or things the speaker has already talked about. They were so happy to travel to Paris. They were so happy to travel to Paris. At. At means to show an exact position or place. I was at the post office. I was at the post office. But is used to introduce another phrase different from what was said before. The food was delicious, but it was very expensive. The food was delicious, but it was very expensive. We refers to a group including the speaker and another person or people. We will play tennis. We will play tennis. His. His means something is belonging to a man, boy, or a male animal. His mother is very sick. His mother is very sick. Section 2. Let's practice what you have just learnt. Go back to Section 1 if you need to see the answers. Say each phrase with a missing word. You have 7 seconds. Let's begin.